There. Welcome back to Getting Better at Things, and today we're getting better at Excel. In our last video, we were talking about creating a phone list. In this particular video, we are going to have a look at adding columns by example or from examples. It's a beautiful technique. It exists in PowerQuery. If you have not seen how we got here, you might want to see the previous video. Now, in our data set, we also have an employee number. Just go there for a second. There we are. That's our employee number. I would like to retrieve it as well. I only have name, phone, and email. I can now click the little wheel behind removed other columns and select that extra column. There we are, employed. I confirm with OK, and now I have that extra column. Now, we might also want to retrieve the first two digits from the phone number, and would like to retrieve the last 4 digits of the employee ID. Now we can use the left function, the right function, but PowerQuery gives us a little bit of automation. I choose from selection. I type 04. He detects that I want the first 2 characters. Now let's check if he didn't make any mistakes. There's always the first 2. So let's say call that prefix. There we are. And here we want the last 4 digits. Same thing again. So we can go from selection and type just 1, 5, 6, 8. There. He didn't quite get that, so I'm going to give a second example. 9, 8, 8, 4. Did I make a typo somewhere? No. Let me do that again. 7, 4, 2, 6. That didn't work. I did make a typo. Okay, so he automatically detects what I want to do, and there we go. There's our column. Now you have noticed that I tried giving extra examples. That actually works. If what follows a certain selection doesn't really match, then, well, you have to give more examples. It's a beautiful technique. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy PowerQuery. See you in the next video.